Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Snapchat error could not connect. So this problem is pretty common, so you guys do not have to worry if you guys have this problem. I'll show you the steps so how you guys can fix this problem. And yeah, be sure to watch this video until the end without skipping, because if you skip then you guys might get confused on how you guys can fix this problem. And be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification turned on to our channel so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. So be sure to do that, and let's watch this video. So to fix your Snapchat could not connect, the first thing is make sure your internet connection is stable, because if you have a slow internet connection then you guys might be facing this problem, because the problem says could not connect. So if you have slow internet connection, then of course this problem is gonna arise. So make sure your internet connection is stable, and if you still have this problem even after internet connection is stable, then make sure to update your Snapchat to the latest version, because if your Snapchat is not up to the latest version, then basically your Snapchat is facing some bug. So make sure your Snapchat is up to date. So to do that, you can go to your Play Store and check if your Snapchat is up to date. Go to Play Store, search for Snapchat, and as you guys can see, there's an open button over here. But if you see an update button instead of open, then that means your Snapchat is not up to date. So update your Snapchat. And if you still have this problem even after updating your Snapchat, what you can do is basically offload Snapchat. So what offloading Snapchat is, it's going to clear all the cache and data stored in Snapchat and restart Snapchat. So basically just hold on Snapchat and click on app info. After you click on app info, you can click on storage usage over here. After you're in storage usage, first thing first, clear cache. And after clearing the cache, try to open Snapchat again. If it still doesn't work, then the second thing you can do is clear data. Click on clear. This is going to clear all the data of Snapchat stored in your phone, and log into your Snapchat account after doing this, and your problem should be fixed. So hope this video helped you guys. If you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related with this video, feel free to comment down below. We'll answer you guys and help you solve your problem, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day.